How to insert GIF on Outlook Mail. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert GIF on Outlook Mail. To insert a GIF into your Outlook email, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type outlook.com. Now press enter to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Outlook. Here make sure you are logged into your Microsoft account. Now before inserting GIF on your Outlook mail, first of all you will need to have your GIF saved on your documents. Now once you have done that, click on this new mail option at the top left, and once doing that, you will be presented with this interface in your screen. Here click on this to section and enter the name of the person whom you want to send the GIF. Once you have entered the email address of that person whom you want to send the GIF, now you can add a subject to it. And after adding a subject, click on this large box at the bottom and now click on this insert option from the top. Once doing that, you will access some more options. From here, click on pictures and now you can select a GIF from your computer. Locate and select the GIF you would like to insert. Once you find it, double click on it to add it. Once doing that, you will find the GIF on the screen. Once inserted, you can click and drag the corners of your GIF to resize it or click and drag it to move it to a different position within your email. And after inserting this GIF, now you can click on the send button at the top and the message will be delivered now. After you have sent the message, click on the send items from your favorite section and click on the mail that you have just sent along with your GIF. And once you click on it, there you will find the email that you have sent to someone along with your GIF. So by following these steps, you can easily insert into your Outlook emails. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.